Yeah, okay, good.
Okay, so I invented these to hang my paintings on. I've got too many of them. So it's all folded up at the moment. I'm going to show you how to put it back together again into a thing. So we're going to... This one comes off. Okay, and then we've got two screws here. One. Two. Then it breaks into two pieces, like this. And what we do is one of these pieces here comes over to here, and screws in there. So we'll give that to our trusty assistant, and do the same with this one. Unscrew this. Oh, whoops, wrong end. Same again to over here, just so you can see the hole where it'll go. Okay, so then we've got two of these. Bring the other one over here. So we've now got two sides. And it's important to have this thing on the inside. And what we're going to do now is put the thing in the middle. You just hold the other side, Jacob. Okay. This is just to hold them together. Now, we've got to make sure we get them straight. 4 feet on the floor. Is that right? Oh. So we put these together. Okay, Jacko, your job now is to put the dowels in, alright? So put one there and one there. Yeah, that's it. Okay, not too much in. And one here and one there. You can adjust them however you like. Same on the other side. Okay. Put my on the other side, do the same thing. This way for my assistant to put the dowels in. Very good. Don't need dowels coming out. Oh! One second here. Probably the old hole's a bit tight, eh? So that's it all up and running. So you've got the level there, Jacko. Should be pretty level. Yep, dead level. that side. Here's level that side. Okay, so we'll just stop it there. And so Jacko, would you like to put the paintings out? We'll take them off and put them over there. One, two. Did you go around do the whole thing? Okay. Now we'll just take the dowels out. You can have as many paintings as you like on them, small ones, big ones, they're all adjustable. Yeah, okay. No. There we go. No, you take them. Oh. Let's work a little bit. Okay, so take it to pieces. We go just the opposite. We take these ones out of the top. Jack, can you just hold the other side while I take this one out? These ones come out. These ones come out. Okay, you just hold that now. Now we put these on the ground. One. Two. Now what we're going to do now is to, that goes there, goes over to there, put that one there, fold that one up there, same again on this side, over to here, actually, I've got that wrong.
That's
Not too wrong, but it's just a wee bit wrong. It's got to go over the other side. This one's got to go over to the other side. Now, we've got those sort of together, those together. Have you got the other piece, Jacko? Got this piece here, this goes on the bottom. Doesn't really matter where you put it. One there. Stand it up, and we put a couple of screws through the top here. Probably not best not to pull it through too much because it comes out the other side. It's not to hold it.